It's time for Car versus Car Contest. Every week, 3 contestants will compete and show off their car in 90-second videos for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
Jaguar, and this is my 2017 Jaguar F-Type R. We're looking at a supercharged V8 putting out 550 horsepower, 503 foot-pounds of torque with an all-wheel drive system. There are numerous interior features such as pop-up vents, a heated flat-bottom wheel, ocean panel, upgraded competition seats. Back to the exterior, we're riding on Pirelli P0 tires. The active aero spoiler raises at 70 miles an hour. Beautiful xenon lamps. And the exhaust speaks for itself. This has been 90 seconds with Jaguar F-Type R.
Hey Scotty, this is Mitch Grooms from Atlanta, Georgia. Here is my all-original 1981 Special Edition Turbo Trans Am 4.9. That's a handful right there. This is my daily driver. It is all original. They produced 3,050 of these. This came out to be 210 horsepower with 345 pound-feet of torque. I also have all the original documentation. I have the original window sticker, the build sheet, all the information, even the day it came to the original owner. This is the last generation. They built this turbo 1980 to 1981, and this is the last generation for this body style. Also, you got your boost right there. They all work. And it is mostly original. Thank you for your time. Again, this is my 1981 Special Edition Turbo Trans Am 4.9.
Hello Scotty fans, my name is Joe and this is my 2018 Sunset Yellow Kia Stinger GT. It's got a 3.3 liter twin turbo V6 engine making 365 horsepower and 375 pound-feet of torque. It's got 19-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport summer tires all around. It also has 4-piston Brembo brakes on the front and 2-piston Brembo brakes on the rear. I added the Chrysler Super Bee emblems because I thought they would look good against the yellow paint of the car. There's only 400 being made in this color, so it's considered to be a limited edition. I swapped out the rear Kia emblem for the Korean Stinger script, which is how this car comes in Korea. There's a quad exhaust that is a true quad exhaust. Unfortunately, it is still fairly restrictive, so I'm considering making that one of my next changes to the vehicle. I added K&N air filters because the standard air filters are fairly thick, and I was hoping that the thinner K&Ns might make it run a little bit better. In the inside so far, all I've done is I've replaced the black empty holes here with Kia Stinger script aluminum inserts. Most of the interior is also aluminum. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember, to have your car shown here and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.